Look at my new t-shirt, Mike Lovatt's Brass Pack. I can't wait. It's only like 3 weeks now. It's the 21st of June already, longest day, but we're getting closer to the 14th of July, 8 p.m. at Harrogate Theatre, where Mike Lovatt's Brass Pack will make its premiere appearance. A host of fantastic musicians, along with the wonderful vocal talents of Matt Ford, in a tribute to Frank Sinatra and the music associated with him. Go on the Harrogate Festival website and book your tickets now. 14th of July, 8 p.m.